Had to get a picture of Carmine in his helicopter ears while he's snoring. And that's Carpa back there. And this Captain Bartholomew, Barty. And his mom, Mabel. And it's, hey Carmine, yours make me laugh, buddy. He's snoring. He's a chunky monkey boy. Those ears up. Take flight. Barty. Oh, he's snoring. I think he's my loudest snorer, and he is a little chunky, so probably comes partially from that. There's Reedster. Hey Carpa. Just say hi to Emma. Hi Miss Emma. Hi Reek. How are you? Reekster. Emma G. Emma G. Hi babe. Here comes Newtsy. See you, Carpa. Boys must have gone up on the hill. Hey, Newts. How's my handsome? How's my handsome boy? Hi. How are ya? Hey, buddy. There's Stinky. There's Alvin. Hey, honey. Hi, Simon. How are we? Huh? Hi. Okay, I can't see. Doing a little too close up. Hi.